ready to explore space? 3, 2, 1, blast off!
First is Mercury. It's the smallest planet and closest to the sun, so it's very hot. It also moves around the sun very fast. How hot do you think it is? Next is Venus. It's the hottest planet because of its thick clouds that trap heat. So hot, Crabby can barely handle it. And here is Earth, our beautiful home. It has blue oceans and green land. Where do you live on Earth? Hello, red Mars! It has lots of iron dust. That's why it looks so red. Scientists are exploring if we can live here someday. What about you? Would you like to live here someday?
Wow! Giant Jupiter! It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Look! That giant storm is called the Great Red Spot. This is Saturn. Its beautiful rings are made of billions of ice and rock pieces. Do they look like a necklace to you? It's so cold. These are Uranus and Neptune. They are very far from the sun, so they are extremely cold and full of icy gases. Space is big and full of amazing wonders. Which planet is your favorite? Tell Crabby below. Goodbye. See you on the next adventure.